Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you're canceling and why, identify the short code or sender, and keep the confirmation message as proof. Once done, check which carrier and device you use because unsubscribe methods can differ. You also want the date you joined and any keywords used to enroll. These make the next steps faster. Don't delay. Gathering these facts first prevents mistakes and wasted texts while you work through the cancellation process. You should now attempt the standard unsubscribe text. Send stop or unsubscribe to the short code. Most programs honor that immediately. After you send it, watch for a confirmation message and save it with a timestamp so you have evidence if charges continue. If you get no reply, send help or info to learn the correct keywords because some services use different commands. Make sure to wait the recommended window, usually 1 to 3 business days, before assuming it didn't work. If the unsubscribe didn't stop messages or billing, escalate. Contact your carrier's customer support and explain the short code, dates, and saved confirmations so they can block or trace the service. You should also block the sender on your phone and request a refund if you were charged after unsubscribing. Make sure to log every call and message for evidence. If problems persist, file a complaint with your national telecom regulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.